REO-Outdoors / projects. This is part 2 of our 100-year-old toolbox. So if you look at episode 1, you can see that this box was much darker than what it is. In the original video, there was a break all along this spot right here where the hinge went. So I sanded it all down, got rid of the dark color, and I just went ahead and put linseed oil on it. I like this light color much better than the ugly dark color. I just finished this up by putting the screws back in, the hinges, putting the top back on. And there's the face of it. This will be ready for another 100 years unless somebody's kids get a hold of it. You can see right there, I didn't try and cover it up. You see right there, I put some Gorilla Glue in the top that had a split in it. And again, both ends right here and right here, both ends had separated for some reason. So I used the Gorilla Glue to bring them back together. Again, you see how it was put together with this, and the original was dovetailed together on the bottom. It's just all dovetailed together. So it's finished. I'm not going to clean up the inside. I'm going to leave the inside as much original as it was. The only thing I did extra was I added a piece along right here to support this hinge so that hopefully it won't break that again. So that's my only additive of it. And again, I'm not trying to hide it. It's a 100-year-old box. It's lasted this long and it's still in really good shape. So if you're an amateur looking at stuff, get out in your garage, just start working on stuff. Take your time. Not everything always goes as planned, but after you do it a few times, things will start coming out. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. REO Outdoors. Have a great day. Bye.